Your GenAI project is stuck. You built a proof of concept very fast with LLMs, but you don't know where your application excels, how to prevent errors, make improvements, or predict when it will be done. Here's how to get your GenAI project back on track. Welcome to episode 38 in Prolego's AI strategy series. You can build powerful solutions very quickly with LLMs. Giving the models instructions through prompts is far more effective than hard-coding business logic in languages like Python. Unfortunately, this benefit comes at a cost. LLMs generate inconsistent and unpredictable outputs, and you have the following problems. You cannot quantify how your application is performing or ensure it won't make critical errors. You cannot detect or prevent accidental performance degradations. You can't estimate how fast it will run or how much it will cost. You're in perpetual experimentation mode and cannot predict when you'll be done. Fortunately, I've got a solution for you, a new methodology for building applications with LLMs. We call it Performance-Driven Development, or PDD, and it captures best practices from our client projects and other high-performing GenAI engineering teams. Check out the show notes for a link to the PDD project on GitHub. Here's a quick overview. PDD is designed to create transparency into your LLM applications and project. It will allow you to demonstrate how your application is performing, reassure your lawyers that it won't go crazy, help you estimate cost, speed, and schedule, and systematically make it better. Here's how it works. Isolate your AI solution from the rest of your infrastructure. Everything that interacts with the LLMs, such as data preparations, prompts, and interfaces, should be separate. Assign a dedicated team of specialists called AI systems engineers to develop it. Build your AI solution with a performance evaluation framework consisting of 4 components. 1. A representative set of data and tasks. 2. The AI solution you will deploy. 3. An evaluation workflow that generates performance metrics. And 4. A performance report. Systematically improve your performance evaluation framework through customer feedback. Add more data and tasks. Improve your solution and evaluation workflow. Generate reports and review the results with customers. You'll continue this process until your system is ready for deployment. The performance report contains the information you need for transparency. For example, if you need to demonstrate why your application won't put your company at risk, you will create data and tasks covering this scenario and show how your system handles them. That's a quick overview of PDD. For more details, check out the GitHub repository linked from the show notes. If you found this useful, I hope you'll join the thousands of data, analytics, and AI professionals who subscribe to our weekly email newsletter. Now don't worry, this isn't the same irrelevant AI hype already filling your inbox and LinkedIn feed. Instead, we share assets used by the world's most successful companies like job descriptions, strategy templates, case studies, code samples, and more. Just visit prolego.com/newsletter or click the link in the show notes.